that everybody is doing well. Today's Thursday, April 16th, and we've got some math to do. For today's lesson, we actually are jumping back to practicing fractions. You'll notice we're jumping back and forth to make sure we don't lose our skills with fractions while still doing other things. So you have pages 231 and 232 of this module, and you'll see there's a lot of fractions on it, but I don't want you to be confused. I want you to read the directions because it'll help you understand. So the directions on number 1 say rearrange the terms so that you can add or subtract mentally. Now, you might not be able to do it mentally, but you're going to rearrange them so that they will be a lot easier in that way. Okay? And then you can solve. So let's take a look at just a couple of them, and then I'll have you work some more on your own. Okay? Look at number 1. Number 1 says 1 3/4 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/2. Now, there are some fractions that have a common denominator, right? And when we add or subtract fractions, we know we always have to have a common denominator, okay? So, let's take a look at the ones that have a common denominator. First, if I look at 1 3/4 and 1/4, those have a common denominator. And then if I look at 1/2 and 1/2, well, those are the same, so we know those have a common denominator. So let's start with 1/2 and 1/2. What's 1/2 plus 1/2? Well, if you have half and I have half, then we put them together, we have the whole, right? So we know that this is 1. So that's a terrible one, sorry. Okay? So then, all we need to know is 1 3/4 plus 1/4. Well, let's think about it. I'm going to write it out for now. And that was 1. So now I really just have 2 plus 1. All right, well, that's super simple. 2 plus 1 equals 3. And that's right. So if you can see those mentally and group them, that's awesome. I would just say, I had 2 down with the fourth, and I had 1 with the whole, with the half, and so now I have 3. Okay? Let's take a look at a subtraction problem that's like that. And it's very similar. So we have 3 1/6 minus 3/4 plus 5/6. Okay. So this is not asking us to do order of operations, and this is going to be really confusing. We're not doing PEMDAS, okay? So normally with order of operations, we would first, if it's addition and subtraction, we do whatever is in the equation first, right? But it gave us different directions here. It told us to rearrange the terms first. So we have to do that first. If it didn't say that, we would be doing 3 1/6 minus 3/4 first, because that's the first part of the operation. But it gave us different directions. So we're regrouping, we're rearranging these. So we have 3 1/6, and what fraction has the same denominator? 5/6, right? And we're going to use the operation that's right in front of it. So we have 3 1/6 plus 5/6. So I'm going to write it, but I'm going to say, sorry. We have 3 1/6, and we're going to add 5/6. All right? And that's what you're adding in your head. Well, we know that the whole is 6, right? And we had 5, and we add 1 more, so now we have 6, which is the same as saying we have 1 whole. Plus, we have to remember to bring our whole number down, so we have 3, plus we have a whole. So, when we're adding our 6 together, we have 3 plus 1 equals 4, right? Now all we have is, what's left in our equation is the minus 3/4. Don't forget that the sign in front of it is going to tell us what to do, right? So we have 4 whole minus, there's no whole, that's 3. Okay? All right. So 4 whole doesn't have a fraction with it. But we're talking about fourths, so if I were to write this in, how many fourths does 4 whole have? It has 0 right now, right? So it has 0 fourths minus 3/4. Can we do that? Can you do 0 minus 3? No. So we're going to have to borrow from our neighbor. He has 4 holes. He gives us 1, so now he has 3 holes. We're not doing regular math where he gives us just a tenth of whole. He gives us a whole fraction, right? Whole fraction, if we have fourths, means he gave us 4 fourths. And we have 0, so now we have 4 fourths, right? Okay, so 4 fourths minus 3 fourths equals 1 fourth, and 3 minus nothing else equals 3. So here is our answer. Okay, so I'm going to have you practice the rest of the blue, the fraction first. Remember, we're not necessarily in order. And so then a common denominator here. So we're going to actually on 2. I would probably start by grouping these 2. Why do you think I picked them? Because they're denominator. So I it's one of the little trickier over on B. Okay. 21. Okay. And whatever this is, so we're going to call this X for right now. Whatever this ends up being, we have to add something to get to 14. Well, let's pretend that this was a whole number right now. Okay. So if I said I had 5 plus something equals 14, and it's not 5, obviously we know that because 9 plus 1 would be bigger than 5, okay? But if I had 5 plus something equals 14, how would I figure out what's missing? Right, remember I have to subtract what's on this side, so I do 14, take this over and I would say minus the 5 would tell me what's missing, and 14 minus 5 is 9, right? So in this case, I would say, 5 plus 9, let me think about that in my head, does that work? Is 5 plus 9 equals 14. Okay, so that's very similar, they do the same thing. So you're a little bit of time. Okay, so let's go ahead and start with D. Okay, and so as part of this diagram, okay, we're going to have 20 minus 3 over 4. Okay, so let's take 20 minus 1 4. Okay, well, I've got 20 whole and minus a mixed number. So 20 doesn't have a fraction, we need to make it into a fraction, right? So we know we're talking about fourths. How many fourths does 20 have? Right now it has 0, right? Like the other problem, it has 0 fourths. Okay? Can I do 0 fourths minus 1 fourth? No, I can't do that, right? So I'm going to have to borrow. So I borrow from the 20, he gives us 1, so now how many do we have? 19. And he gives us 1 whole. In fraction, when I'm talking about fourths, 1 whole is going to have a fourth. I only had 0 this time. So remember, if I had 1, I'd have to add it to it, and I'd have 5. Okay? But I had 0. So he gave me 4 fourths. And now I can subtract. 4 fourths minus 1 fourth equals 4. And 19 minus 3 equals 6. Okay. So now, here's what our equation is. We now have something minus 3 4 equals 14 and 5 8. How do I figure out what is in this blank? Okay, here's where the algebra comes in, right? So we're moving things around. We can pretend this is an X, we can pretend this is a blank, it doesn't matter. In order to find out what's missing, we gotta do a different number. Okay, here, and I have me what mistake is or what difference that we're doing right now. So, I need a common denominator. Do I have one? No, I'm going to have to find it. Okay, we can use 8, right? Because 4, 8, oh, that's my lowest common denominator. So that means I don't have to change the top number. It can be, and I'm just going to write it in here right now, so I didn't lose myself an answer. 14 and 5, 8. Okay? And I have to multiply my bottom fraction by what? Negative 8. 2, right? So the 16 stays the same. 4 times 2 equals 8. And with my numerator, 2 times 2 equals 6. So now I have an equation that says 5, 8 plus 6, 8. And I also have my 14 plus 16. Okay? Common denominator, can I add them now? Yep, I can. So 5 plus 6 equals 11. So I have 11, 8. And 14 plus 16. If you do it in your head, 4, 10, and 1 over. So I have 30 and 11, 8. Now, improper, right? So, 11, 8 is improper. The numerator is too big. It's bigger than the denominator. So really what I'm thinking is how many times does 8 go into 11? And I know that 8 goes into 11 one time. So it's got one whole with how many left over. Subtract it out from here. But if I subtract away, I have 3 left over. So that means that 11 is the same as 1 and 3. Okay? So now I've got 30 plus I have 1 and 3. So this will change to 30. Well, let's say 30. So this changes to 1 and 3, 8. Same thing, right? Don't forget that word. Alright, so now all I have to do is add my whole numbers. So 30 plus 1, 31. And I fraction 6. Okay? I know this is a little tricky. Think about grouping your numbers first, okay? And then figuring out what's missing. And it's always going to be, we're going to look at what makes sense. So if I got a tiny number here and I got like 5, would 5 So think about what makes sense. Think about grouping your numbers. And you don't have trouble with this one. Remember, this is just grouping your numbers. But I know. All right.